Let's get to the point. There's a new lifestyle store in SM North Mall in Quezon City, and grabe 2 floors siya. Para siyang Miniso and Mumuso pero mas interesting ang toy section nila and toothpaste selection. Nasa main building sila ng SM North, second floor, doon kayo sa Jollibee entrance ng mall. Beside siya ng IMAX Theater and Paris Baguette. By the way, masarap ang food sa Paris Baguette and doon kayo kumain after nyo mapagod sa shopping sa KKV. And let's be honest, this is not a sponsored post. I paid for my whole order. By the way, if your total purchase is above 1,000 pesos, you get a free tote bag and this tiny bag na super cute. Speaking of cute, may dalawang cute silang staff. Kayo na lang mag-guess kung sino. Sa totoo lang, magmi-milk tea lang dapat ako sa isang stall sa tabi nila. Pero parang nabudol ako and na-hypnotize. Sabi ko sisilip lang ako pero for some reason, before I knew it, may yellow basket na ako. As in literal na yellow basket. The items that I found unique were, number 1, Malalego na toy cars. Number 2, this toy castle na social. Number 3, these cardboard toys. Number 4, thankfully meron silang nipple cover na very useful talaga. Number 5, tongue cleaner na mahirap hanapin sa mga supermarkets. Number 6, probiotic mouthwash. Number 7, cute itong eyewear pero namamahalan ako sa 700 pesos for this kind of store. Number 8, parang social ang earrings nila pero mura lang. Number 9, obsessed ako sa bath bombs pero wala namang bathtub sa Philippines most of the time. Number 10, I like this popsicle soap. Number 11, retinol anti-aging mask. Number 12, ang cute by the way ng display ng makeup sponges nila. Number 13, cute din itong paper animals. Number 14, as a lover of cafes, gusto ko ng miniature cafe display. Number 15, gusto ko itong space shuttle na parang Lego. Number 16, cute din itong robot that needs to be assembled. Cute din yung ex ko na mahilig sa ganito. Pangit lang ang pinagpalit sa akin. Number 17, cute din itong pet building blocks. Number 18, panalo itong baso na parang icicle. Click follow for the next story.